Hello friends, in the previous video we discussed the basics of introduction of consignment. So let us how the accounting treatment in the books of both consignor and consignee. So in the first we see the accounting treatment in the books of consignor. When the goods are sent to the consignee, when the goods are sent to the consignee, when goods are sent to consignee, consignment account data to goods sent on consignment account. When goods are sent to consignee, so when goods are sent to consignee, consignment account data to goods sent on consignment account. Being cost of goods are consigned to the consignee. When the expenses payable for sending goods, consignment account to cash account. When the expenses paid for sending goods is consignment account that are consignment account that are to cash account. Being expenses incurred on the consignment of goods into the consignee. In the institute material, they did not given the narration. So we are understood for for our understand purpose. I write the narration. So hopefully you understand what is the expense. So expenses for sending the goods, consignment account data to cash account. So for entry, the advance given by the consignee. So bank bills receivable or bank account data to consignment account. In case sometimes he drawn the bill for sending the advance. So in that case we write the bills receivable. In case of cash or bank directly it has received, he taken the bank account to consignee account. Being bill or bank draft is received or drawn by advance or against to the goods to the consignor. Against to the goods to the consignor. So we are accounting treatment in the books of consignor. So 11 entries must and should you maintain when the accounting treatment in the books of consignor. So when entry for consignee, sometimes consignee bears the expenses. So in that case, the consignment to account data to consignment account. So being the expenses incurred by the consignee in a connection with the goods to consign to them. So for entry for the consignee expenses, consignment to account to consignee account. Entry for sale by the consignee, for some entry for sale. So some goods, when I send to the goods to the consignee, he can sell the goods. So the entry will be consignee account to consignment account to consignee's account to consignee consignment to account consignment account. Being gross sales process as per the accounting sales. Being gross sales proceeding as per the accounting sales. Entry for a consignee commission, consignment account data to consignment. So when the commission given by him to him from consignee for some to when consignor gives to the commission to the consignee, in that case the entry will be consignment account data to consignee account. So being the commission on sale of goods to sent on consignment. So when the entry of remittance of consignments to settlement of an account, consignee to send so settlement of account, so bank account or bills receivable account to consignee account. Entry for the profit and loss account on so for the entry of profit or loss for consignment. So in case we are lost for consignment, so that entry will be profit and loss account data to consignment in case of loss. In case of profit, the opposite entry will be placed. So consignment account data to profit and loss account. For the bad debts occur while consignment is consignment account data to consignee personal account. Being bad debts occurs for the sale of consignee. In case the consignee has sold for bad debt, so in case of that, consignment account data to consignee personal account. For closing the goods sent on consignment account data to goods sent on consignment account to trading and purchase account. For closing stock For the closing stock account, debtor to consignment account. This entry will be only in the books of consignors only, not in the consignee. So this entry will be only available in the books of consignor. So this is 11 entries must and should understand. So I hope you should understand you when writing the consignor account. So we move into the accounting treatment for in the books of consignee. In the previous we discussed consignor books. Today in the book, next we move into the consignee's accounting treatment in the books of consignee. On the sending the goods, there is no entry will be affected. So entry number 2, on the sending of goods, the no entry will be affected in the books of consignee. For entry for expenses incurred by consignee, so consignor account to cash account. So consignee for entry, he himself for sending the sending the goods, he bears the expenses. So consignor account to cash account. Being expense incurred and goods received, he has something received, he can maintain some expenses. So he can bear this some expense. So consignor account to cash account. Advance, if any, given by the consignee, so he can give the entry advance to the consignor. So the entry will be the consignor account to bills payable or bank account. This entry will same on the opposite side of the consignor's books. The same entry will opposite. So in case of received, he has received the consignor. So consignor received, bills received. What happened in the consignor books? He received the bills. So he can bills receivable or bank account to consignee account. So in case in the books of consignee, so in what will you entry? The consignor account to bills receivable or cash or bank account. Hopefully for the advance given to him to consignee, to advance given to the consignor or by consignee. In case of the entry will be consignor's account to bills payable account or bank account. Entry by sale of consignee. So entry in the case of so when the goods sent to the consignee, so he can send for sale. So cash account to debtor's account if sold on credit. So he can sold on credit, the entry will be debtor's account to consignor's account. So being entry for sales by the consignor for sold an account in credit behalf of him, So he can after sale he get some commission. So the commission entry for the commission on sale is consignor's account. Who will give it to consignor? So consignor given. They will in the formula of consignor. We know the basic formulas. The consignor's account to consignee's commission account. So expenses he received. So he comes in received. So he received who comes to consignor's account to commission account. So entry for bad debts. In case of he received the delicate commission, so consignor's account debtors to debtor's account. If the consignee does not get declared commission, consignor's account to debtor's account. When consignee gets commission, he gets commission. So bad debts account to debtor's account. Bad debts account to debtor's account. So entry for remittance sending by consignor for final settlement. So of his account. So consignee he settlement his account. So settlement the consignment. In that case, consignor's account to bills payable or bank account. So in case of fully remittance, same these advance are remittance for the final settlement. So consignor's account to bills payable account being payment of balance due to the consignor. So final settlement due. In case due, so the entry will be consignor account to bills payable account. This is the entry. So hopefully the consignment. So 11 entries came from consignor's account. Oh, I am taking without invoice and cash. This is the basic normal entries when I treatment of in the books of consignors and consignee. So level entry from consignor, 7 entries from consignee. This is the basic entries we discuss in this video. So hopefully like it, subscribe. So see you in the next topic. Thanks for watching. See you again.